Let's go into Target and check out all their spring shoes. And I'm really excited for this because I'm looking for some strappy shoes going into spring. I did a video on all their spring handbags and accessories, so definitely go back and watch it. I'm going to start off by saying that a lot of their signs were not matching up to their shoes, so I went online and I will make sure that I post the right names of each style when they're not right. The Aaliyah Raffia Strappy Knot, and they are going for $40. And as you can tell, they come in the black and they also come in this brown. Their price on these are $40. Look at these. These are called the Fisherman Platform heels. They are so pretty. Now the regular price on these are $40, but these are called Allied Raffia Fisherman Platform shoes. So again, I'll write it down here so that you'll have that as a reference. But again, these are $40. They are on sale right now. They're listed at $30. So definitely check in your store or online for any additional sales. These are super cute. These are by Wild Fable, and this is a red gingham eyelet kitten shoe. Such a cute heel on here. These are, again, $40, but they are on sale right now. These are going for $30. Do seem to have a cushion or some type of memory foam. These cute little sunflowers up at the top of the strap. Now these do have an ankle strap, and these are $35. These are by Wild Fable, and they are currently on sale for $26.25. I don't know when you'll be watching. Make sure that you check the store or online for the pricing. This next shoe was a pretty unique style, so let me bring this down close so that you can see it. Now the top of it looks like a loafer, but it's got a short chunky heel with this sling back strap. So again, I thought it was a really unique style. It is by A New Day, and this is going for $34.99. I thought this next shoe was really fun. This would be great for like prom season or even graduations or just a fun night out. Now the front portion of the shoe is embellished with like little rhinestones and pearls, and this one is going for $37.99. Is by A New Day. Whoops, let me pick that up again. It's $37.99. Have a bit of a shorter heel. Find another pair of shoes. Now these are completely blinged out in rhinestones with the short chunky heel with the strap around the ankle. These are going for $29.99, and I'll bring this up so that you can take a look at it. It is by A New Day, and again $29.99. I do feel like I was at Target at the right time. They were fully stocked, so I'm hoping that if you do find a pair of shoes or more than one that you see on this video, that they're available at your store as well. Now here is another strappy shoe. This one again has the ankle strap, and it does have the chunky heel, but it's a little taller. So as you can see here, is going for $30, and it's also available in another color, and that is more of a taupe color, and I'll show that to you right now. And with the weather warming up, the popularity of the strappy shoe is definitely prevalent here at Target. These next platform shoes are so cool looking. They have like a woven fabric on it, and it does have the ankle strap going around, and the design on this is so nice. So these are regularly priced at $40, and they're called the Madeline shoe. Strappy little sandals. I'll bring them up close so that you can see the detail. It has a very beachy design on them. Now these are going for $30, and they do have the memory foam on it. And I'll show you the picture on the box so that you can see the style of the straps. Did find another pair of shoes with the rhinestone embellishment on it, and these are a slip-on shoe. You can tell the heel is a little higher, but it is still a chunky with the two straps in the front. These shoes are priced at $34.99. So the majority of my Shop With Me videos is really showcasing clothing, but I started to do more handbags, and now I'm incorporating shoes. But if there's something that you would like to see or a particular store, let me know and I will be happy to create a video for you. Another very pretty shoe. It kind of elevates it a little with all of the pearl embellishments. This shoe is going for $40. A little closer so that you can see the strap is actually elastic, but I'll bring this back a little more so that you can see the whole shoe in its entirety. And like I mentioned, this one is going for $40. These next pair of shoes, they have this animal print. It does have the short heel with the thinner strap going around the back. These shoes are actually on sale right now for $22.50, and they are regular $30, but I do think these could go either for a day or an evening outfit. Find another pair of blinged out shoes. These are actually flats, and they are completely covered in rhinestones. They are currently priced at $29.99, and they are on sale for $22.49. So definitely check out Target to see what kind of deals you can find on shoes. And I will bring these around so that you can see the detail all the way around the shoe. As you can tell, they are completely covered in rhinestones. Find another pair of shoes that has rhinestones on them, but it's these sneakers, and you can see the rhinestones on the back part of the heel. And I thought these were really nice. These are going for $29.99. I did feel as though these sneakers were really well made. I turned them upside down so that you can see that grip underneath. But again, I love the detail of the bling on the heel. Now I do want to show you a couple more pair of shoes before we move over to the shoes that are up on the wall. Now these two pair of shoes are very similar to that Mary Jane style, very low heel, if not considered flats actually, and they come in two colors, the ivory and the pink. Now this is a really nice slip-on shoe. It does have that block heel. This one is called the Kathleen Raffia buckle, and the buckle reminds me of the Manolo Blahniks that have that same buckle design in the front. So these are going for $40. Again, definitely check your store or online to see if the sales are still going on. Okay, so let's head over to the wall so we can look at all of the sandals that they have. And let me tell you, Target did not disappoint. So let's go ahead and start with these little rhinestone embellished slip-ons. Now these are going for $25. Again, check for your sales. I'm consistently saying that because I don't know when you're going to watch this. But again, these are so pretty. These are embellished with little pearls. And again, $25. Unless the price says differently, I'll just for the most part, these are $25. These were probably one of my favorites. I love embroidery, so to see it on shoes or handbags, I absolutely love that detail. This next set of sandals are actually $20. Now these are leather and they do have the dual straps, and I'll show you the multiple colors they come in, like this neutral beige color, and they are by Universal Threads. The one thing I did like is that they all have that squish, that cushion step design, and they come in that camel color, the beige, and then of course this black. Now here we have these sandals with the double buckle design. Now I do love that gold hardware on it. Now these are by Universal Thread, and these are going for $30. And these do come in the multiple colors. They do have it in tan, white, brown, and black, and I believe taupe. So definitely go online if you want to look at some of those different colors. But these little slip-on ones are going for $12.99. These are by Shade and Shore. These next sandals are also by Shade and Shore, and these are going for $14.99. So the one thing I did notice about the Target shoes, whether it was in the heels or even the sandals, is that a lot of them have the memory foam, which I think is a great feature. Now I did love that they have a great selection of colors when it came to the slides. So let me go ahead and show you what they have. And as you can see, they have the white, the coral, they have these that are like a light taupe color. And of course, these are all going for $19.99, which quite honestly, I think was a great price. And of course, they also have them in black. These next sandals were actually available last year, but certainly not in such a large variety of colors. And these sandals actually remind me of the Hermes slip-on sandals. So let me show you some of the colors that they have. I just can't pick a favorite because they are all so pretty, perfect for spring and summer. And the style even of the fabrics are a little bit different as well. So let me go ahead and keep showing these to you. These are all going for $20 a piece, which I think is just a steal. It is such a great price. Now I thought these were really cute. Look at the detail around the toe. It has this gold little hardware that wraps around the toe, and it comes in the ivory with gold and then the black with the silver. So either way, they're really cute shoes, and these are also going for $20. Now I did want to go back to the sandals that have that Hermes style looking. I did want to show you the white ones, but I especially wanted to show you these. They have some that are completely blinged out, but these are going for slightly higher. These are going for $25. Now I was making my way out of the store when I happened to catch these two last pair of shoes that I'm going to show you. Now these are going for $40. Now I love that raffia look. Now this is really prevalent here at Target, so definitely check out the styles that are coming in for the spring and summer. But I love this neutral color and that really pretty rose design. The details are very intricate. Like these sandals right here, these are going for $35. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely head out to Target and check out their shoes. And if you haven't seen the handbag video that I just recently posted, I'll post the little thumbnail on here so you can go back and watch it, and maybe you'll pick up some matching handbags as well. Anyway, you guys, thank you again so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. And let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Anyway, have an absolute wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.